Looking to upgrade your shower but not sure which door type is right for you? In this video, we're comparing the best sliding, hinged, and frameless shower doors on Amazon this year. Let's begin with the GETPRO Semi-Frameless sliding shower door, one of Amazon's best sellers for a reason. This 57 to 60-inch wide door features a bypass sliding design that eliminates the need for swing space, perfect for smaller bathrooms. The semi-frameless construction gives you a clean, modern aesthetic, though without the complexity of a fully frameless model. Its matte black hardware complements a wide range of decor styles, and the dual glass panels slide smoothly on top rails. Homeowners love how sturdy and easy to install this door is, especially for those tackling DIY bathroom renovations. With clear tempered glass panels and anti-water strip seals, it not only looks good but also performs exceptionally well in preventing leaks. If you want a modern upgrade without breaking the bank, this sliding model from GETPRO is an ideal entry point. Next is the Woodbridge frameless hinged shower door, which is a top choice if you're aiming for a luxury finish. Measuring 57.5 to 60 inches wide and standing 76 inches tall, this door features thick 3/8 inch tempered glass and premium stainless steel hardware. The frameless design opens up visual space, making your bathroom feel bigger and brighter. What really sets it apart is the soft close mechanism integrated into the hinges. No more slamming or abrupt stops. It swings smoothly and silently, making it a favorite for master bathrooms or spa-like renovation. The brushed nickel finish adds a premium touch, and the included installation instructions make setup surprisingly straightforward for experienced installers. If you want maximum visual appeal and modern convenience, this is one of the best frameless hinged options on the market. In the third spot is the elegant semi-frameless sliding shower door, another excellent sliding door solution that blends performance with practicality. With its 58.5 to 60-inch width and 72-inch height, this door features a towel bar handle built right into the design, perfect for converting a bath space to a walk-in shower. The brushed nickel frame and clear 1/4 inch tempered glass strike a nice balance between affordability and style. The semi-frameless construction gives a clean, open look while still offering some structure for added durability. Users report that the door slides quietly and reliably, and the included bottom guide rail helps keep water in and maintenance low. If you're replacing an old sliding door or updating a dated bathroom, the elegant model is a smart and budget-friendly choice. Fourth on our list is the DECOR frameless pivot shower door, a stylish hinged design for those who prefer a full swing opening. Measuring between 34 and 35.4 inches wide, this door features a reversible installation option, allowing the door to open to the left or right depending on your layout. The 1/4 inch clear tempered glass provides a minimalist look, while the matte black frame adds a bold, industrial touch. Since it doesn't use a bottom track, cleaning is much easier, especially in corners or narrow stalls. It's ideal for medium-sized bathrooms where sliding doors might feel too boxed in. Customers highlight the smooth hinge action and reliable magnetic seal, which keeps water in and operation easy. Lastly, we have the SL4U frameless sliding shower door, a versatile model designed to fit openings from 48 to 60 inches wide and up to 76 inches tall. This model features explosion-proof 3/8 inch tempered glass and a stainless steel top rail system for a sleek, ultra-modern look. It comes with an adjustable design that accommodates varying wall measurements, which is particularly helpful in older homes where walls may not be perfectly square. The soft close system ensures quiet, controlled operation, and the frameless glass panels help create atmosphere. This is a great option for anyone building a custom walk-in shower who doesn't want to compromise on durability or aesthetics.